So we're going to take a look at how to share if you're using one course and then how to share back to your own original courses. So I have this course set up and it's called my master course for Engage by Design. So this is the course where I build and everything is set up the way I want it. And so if I look at the modules in the module view, I have all these modules set up the way I want. So now this would be like the course where you might have several teachers in here working together, creating together. So now I'm done. Say I want to grab this day one module and put it in my course that I'm going to use with my students. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard and I'm going to find the course that I want to pull this into. So I have a course here called Shelly's favorite course. We'll just pretend that that's the one that we're going to pull it into. And so you open up the course, and then what you're going to do is come down here on the left-hand menu and go to the settings. I'm going to use the left menu for this. So over here on the left menu, I have a button that says import course content. So I'm going to click on that. And then up here at the top, I'm going to click copy a Canvas course. Now you don't have to copy the whole course when you do this. And then what you're going to do is search for that course. So I'm going to start typing in Master Engage, or I called it Master Course Engage by Design. Okay, so there's my course. So I'm going to click on it. And then here's the key for this. You have two choices, all content or specific content. So when you do this, you're just going to click specific. That way you can just pull in one module or one page or one quiz at a time. You don't have to pull in the whole thing. So I'm going to click import and it'll seem like nothing happened. Now you're going to go down here and you're going to select that content that you want. So I'm going to come to the modules and notice you can click on anything in this. You can do more than one thing, like I can add assignments and a module all at the same time. I can add some files, as much as you want at once. But I'm going to go ahead and import day one module. Maybe I'll import day two module as well. So I'm going to import two of those, and then I'm going to select, and you're going to notice it says queued right here. And now it says complete. So now if I go over to my modules, I am going to see that those two modules came into my course. Okay, and they're right here down at the bottom. Day one module with all the things from the other course, and day two module with all the things from the other course. So anytime you want to add more things to this course from the master course, you can do the same thing by going into settings and importing.